If Adobe Creative Cloud won't uninstall properly, keeps running in the background, or you're trying to clean up your Windows PC, this is the safest way to remove it completely. Let's get started. Adobe recommends using their official Creative Cloud uninstaller tool, and that's exactly what we'll use. First, open your web browser and search for the Adobe Creative Cloud uninstaller tool. You can also go directly to Adobe's help website. I'll leave the link in the description. On the page, scroll down to the Windows section and click Download. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. Right-click the zip file and select Extract All, then click Extract. Open the extracted folder and double-click Creative Cloud Uninstaller.exe. If you see a security prompt, click Yes. When the uninstaller opens, click Uninstall. Confirm any pop-ups and wait while the tool removes Creative Cloud from your system. This may take a few minutes, depending on your PC. Once it finishes, Adobe Creative Cloud is completely removed from your Windows computer. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.